Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you eat uncured meat raw? As mentioned earlier, uncured salami is cured. The only difference is in the origin of the preservatives. When it's uncured, only natural ingredients are used to preserve the meat. Since it's preserved by natural ingredients and dried just like the cured version, uncured salami can be eaten raw. Does uncured mean uncooked? Uncured don't. Both methods are used to preserve meat. Because nitrites are not added, the meats are considered by the USDA to be uncured. Whether you choose cured or uncured, unless meat is sold raw, you should know that it must be preserved so that it does not spoil. Is uncured ham lunch meat safe to eat? Regularly eating even small amounts of cold cuts, including uncured products, increases cancer and heart disease risk. Regularly eating them, even in amounts less than what you probably put in a sandwich, clearly increases the risk of cancer. They've also been linked to heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Does uncured capicola need to be cooked? Capicola may or may not be cooked technically, says the daring gourmet. Capicola, or capicolo, refers to the thin sliced neck and shoulder meat that's been cooked. When that piece of neck and shoulder meat is dry cured, it's more appropriately called capa.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.